How to add products to TikTok Shop 2025. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So in today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to easily add products. So what we're going to do is we're simply going to click on products over here on the bottom section. So we have our different menus over here below. You're going to select the products. And over here, you will see our add product button. Simply click on add product and we will then be able to begin our process. So as you can see here, we only have a few options as you can see as of now. So I'm going to talk about later how you can unlock more access or unlock more area over here. But what you're going to do first, of course, you're going to upload 5 different images to get exposures and of course be able to have sales opportunities. It's very important to be able to have very good photos to give your customers an idea and visualization on what the product looks like and if it's worth buying. As you can see here also, we have our product name over here. There's a recommended format over here such as brand, plus content, plus scope, application, product type, main function, and feature over here. And then over here, if you click on a specific category of your specific option or product, you will be able to see over here below an unlocked area. You will be able to see product attributes, which is different for each type of category. So you will be able to see it over here. And after that, you could also put in your retail price, the stock that you have. If you want to enable cash on delivery, that's also very possible. And after that, you can simply click on submit for review and wait for a while, and then you will be able to have your products be added into your TikTok shop. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.